No. No power. I think we have to put the charger on it.
No power?
No. 1 sec. One sec.
Thought it would be here too.
Maybe the kill switch. Oh, kill switcher's just on. All right. Let it boot up for a minute. Three, two, one. We'll crank her now.
Turn the key right away so you hit it.
Yeah. It's computer. Well, you never know, right?
Well, they're a good motor, but they have that cold
Yep.
relay, so.
Took a minute to start up.
Nice to set it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because this one doesn't have it.
I need a big windshield bump. You can put some lights in the handguards.
Yeah, you can buy the LED handguards.
No, but just buy the strips yourself.
She's getting warmed up to par. We're going to load it up on the trailer. Took a little bit to start, but it's going. And then eventually we're going to start this up, get this out to the garage, get it worked on as well, and whatnot, and be ready for the snow.